Hello. So this is the last phase of our project where we will show you a demo of the project in the second part of the video, but here we'll show you how the code works and what design patterns we implemented. So first of all, let me explain to you the game. The game basically, it starts with you hitting the punching bag, and this will release a certain, this will make the Arduino send a certain value to the Java. The Java will then turn on the game and send threshold and patterns to the punching bag. You have to hear the pattern, memorize it, and then hit the punching bag accordingly. You will have to do this 3 times. At the end, you will see the final score after those 3 trials. So here we have 2 different codes, the code on the Arduino and the code on the Java. So here in the Arduino we have like variables that we are going to use throughout the code. Let's go to the while loop. So in the while loop, first of all, it has different states. So at state 0, it will check first if someone actually hit the punching bag, and if this value is above 1.1, it will go to the next state and send this threshold to the Java. Then it will move to the second state and wait for the Java to send it a certain threshold. And after it receives it, it will wait for a pattern to be sent by the Java again. After that, it will keep reading the punches by the player and calculates a score and display it on the LEDs and send it to the Java. And this code will repeat like 3 times until the game ends. Now here in the Java, we have implemented 5 patterns: the adapter pattern, the strategy, template, command, and observer. So here in the game we have all these classes. We have the command off, command on. So in the command on, what happens is the game starts. It will read the, as I said, it will read the what was sent by the Arduino at the beginning, that it will make it start the game. Then it will start making different algorithms based on the easy and hard. Also, it will make a pattern of sounds. And this is the observer that it will get its, it will extend the methods made by pattern difficulty and also the make sound. These are all the classes that make the sound of the game. After that, there will be, after it will make, this is the main, after it will get the first score, the first hit, and releases a pattern and all. It will then read the score from the punching bag and then go to the second trial. It will also make the same thing, but it will analyze which algorithm should be next, the easy or the hard. Then the same thing will be repeated with the third trial, but here it will take the average of the first 2 scores, and then also it will decide on the algorithm and release another pattern. At the end, there will be the turn off game, which implements the command pattern also. It will check if the score is really high, it will play a sound for victory, and if it's lower than the 3, it will play the sound for loss. So that's all, and in the second part of the video we'll show you a demo, a working demo of this project. So we're gonna start with the demo.
Easy, strong, strong, weak, weak, weak.
Okay, so we got 4 scores.
Hard, strong, weak, strong, weak, strong.
Again, that's amazing.
Hard, weak, strong, weak, weak, weak.
Okay, well, that's all. So what happened is that, yeah, there was, okay, so what happened at the beginning is that we hit the punching bag to turn it on. So it got one of the algorithms, and then it generated a certain pattern on which we hit, and then the Arduino calculated the score, displayed it on the LEDs, and sent the score back to the Java. The Java then took this score and changed the algorithm based on whether it should be easy or hard, and sent another threshold to the Arduino. Then again another pattern was generated, we hit, and then the same thing repeated. But in the third algorithm, we got the average of both these scores, and then another threshold was generated with a new pattern. We hit it, and the final score, the 4, was the final score after all the 3 trials were played. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.